Hello.
Hello,
How are you today?
I'm good.
Good. My name's Adam. I'm from New York in the United States.
My name is Parvinder Tongar. I'm from India.
So, Parvindra?
Yes, Parvinder.
That's a unique name. I've never heard that before. What does it mean?
Oh, actually, it's a Hindi name. Means Parm plus Indra.
Oh,
Parmendra.
firm in so your name is like firm, strong.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Well, you picked this lesson today, work styles. Is this what you want to work on?
No,
Is there a
I.
different lesson you want, or do you want to just practice conversation for 15 minutes?
Yeah. Talk conversations.
Okay, let's get rid of that. Okay, well, you're new to Cambly. You've been here for
Mm,
you've done about 2.5 hours in the last 2 months.
yes.
Okay. Why are you learning English? What for?
Um, for my professional career.
Okay, are you a engineer?
Yes.
Okay. For some reason, engineers know about Cambly. I don't know where the word got out. I teach a lot of engineers from Turkey, Saudi Arabia, and India.
Okay.
So why do why do you need to know English to be an engineer? I thought you would just need to know Hindi and math if you live
Uh,
in India.
yeah, but actually, the current world is not about our. So, as I'm Indian, I made softwares for Americans, for Europeans, for many other countries. So, when
Mm,
time comes to communicate with them, when the main problem comes, actually.
I get you. So you're not a mechanical engineer, you're a software engineer. So you
Yeah,
have to make programs in English and you'll have English customers.
yes,
Oh, so when they call you up and speak in English, you're like, I have no idea what they're saying.
yes.
That could be a problem. How about English emails?
Yes.
How do you handle those? What do you do?
Mm, Actually,
It's
in
Google Translate, huh?
like my case, so they are like I'm a team lead, but I'm not communicate direct with the client
Oh, cool.
because of English conversation skills.
So
Uh,
do you have a worker under you that speaks good English?
uh, I'm working on it, but I'm uh, not good enough to talk with them and to communicate through emails. So our some communication manager also there who communicate with them and tell us what is the changes and what the customer wants to uh, you know
Okay. So, what do you do if you get a phone call and you don't understand half of it? What do you do? How do you handle those situations?
it's sometimes hard when I cannot understand because sometimes like I'm talking with you, so you are speaking a slow speed English, so I
I
can
train
understand you.
myself to do this, yes.
Yeah, that's why I can understand you easily. But sometimes when some client calls, so they speak their own fluency. So sometimes, so some words, some sentences, it's completely I can't understand. Then the main problem comes actually. And I saw, I watch TV and listen podcasts also. So I see,
Good.
there is some sentences that I need to understand, but cannot. And so it is a problem I am facing currently also.
When you watch television, do you put on English subtitles, English with English subtitles, or
Yes.
do you put on Hindi subtitles?
No, English subtitles.
Good, good. Because if you put on Hindi subtitles, you'll ignore the English.
Yeah.
Like I have watched a lot of Chinese movies, but I have
Mhm.
never once learned any Chinese because I always just read the subtitles.
Okay.
Okay. Well, did you take English at university?
Mm, in India, English is subject actually. So I learn English from class first, but spoken English, it's different matter.
Okay, so you could read English pretty good,
Yeah.
but it's the like I get it. So, do you know McDonald's?
Yes.
Okay, pretend you're going through McDonald's. Now, McDonald's, sometimes you can't hear them very well because they have a speaker like this.
Mm-hmm.
So, I know you know, the drive through where you get in a car and you speak and they take your order and then you pay money and get your food, never leave your car. You know those drive throughs?
No.
That's where you stay in your car, drive up to McDonald's
Mm-hmm.
and tell them, I want two hamburgers. And they
Yeah,
give you the
I
food,
see
you
this
give them the
in,
money.
yeah, I see this in movies, but in India, this is not happens actually. We need to go inside and give order, then they give you something.
Uh, is it because there's so many people in India? Not many people do not have cars. Is that why?
Um, not not this. Lots of people have cars, but this type of facilities are not available. I saw, uh, uh, there is no one actually where I can see that, but I see in movies,
Okay.
English movies.
Yes.
So maybe
They're
in your
very
country.
popular now because McDonald's and Burger King, some of
Mhm.
them said, do not come in this restaurant, only stay in your car.
Okay,
Now,
okay,
some places you only get food through drive throughs, unless it's a shop.
okay. Just speak and your order is ready.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
yeah,
some
it's good.
shops, they have it so you stay in your car too. You go on the internet, tell
Mm-hmm.
them what you want, pay them
Hmm.
on the internet, drive up, tell them you're there. Someone brings your food out to your car.
Okay,
They do this a
nice.
lot. It used to be rare, not common. A lot of places did not do this. Now
Mm-hmm.
with COVID, lots of shops do this now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, many things change in COVID actually.
Yes. I bet you work from home more with software
Mm,
engineering than you did before.
yeah, approx 7 months I worked from home.
Do you like that? I love working from home because some people like offices.
Actually, uh, I love work from home, but when some technical issues comes, or actually internet problem was the daily basis. Uh, at
Yes,
my
you have to
place.
have good internet.
So that time I faced difficulties.
Oh, that would be difficult. If you have bad
Hmm.
internet and you're
Hmm.
working as
Hmm.
a software engineer, it's
Hmm.
like
Hmm.
working with your hands tied with rope.
Yeah. So yeah, otherwise it was good.
Okay, okay. Um, what computer languages do you know? C++, plus plus, C sharp,
No,
Python?
actually I'm a designer, so I design in like Figma, Figma and Sketch. It's like Photoshop.
Okay.
So I
When
made
I was a kid, we used CAD.
um, CAD is another software, but we used for designing like admin panels, like applications. So I design in Figma or Adobe Photoshop, and then design into HTML
Okay, so you design it
coding
in
into.
Photoshop, quote unquote, your Photoshop, and then you put it into HTML. Can you read HTML?
Yeah.
Okay. So can I. Well, a little. I know C++ a little and HTML a little.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I know C++ enough to write a virus, but my virus is so simple that it gets shut down. So my virus is designed to shut down someone's hard drive. I
Hmm.
pretty much say if X, I tell it X is equal to 5, then I say if X is greater than 2, make this number X plus 1 and put it in this file. And then if X is greater than 2, repeat. So it's designed to make a never ending giant file to crash a hard
Yeah.
drive.
Yeah.
And but it's so
It,
simple it gets shut down by a virus software.
yeah. Yeah. Sometimes when we worked, so this type of a calculation we made by mistake, and our system completely hang and crashed.
Oh, you accidentally
And
made a virus by doing this.
yeah, yeah,
I thought your system
it's
would shut it down perfectly. It would just say, no, can't run. But no, it would run it.
sometimes there is a network, so one system runs some command, and all the systems hangs in office.
I bet that's embarrassing. What did you do? I accidentally wrote a virus into my new app.
So yeah, it's just take time to find out, and then uh, check systems, close shut down this row, and then find, oh, this row has problem, then check system by system, and then find out this system is a problem. So it
I've
takes
heard
time.
that's so, I've heard that's so tedious coding work. It just takes hours and hours and hours to find, oh, we need a semicolon here. Oh, that was a good 11 hours spent. I
Oh
couldn't do it.
yeah.
I'm a lawyer and a teacher. So, as a lawyer, I understand that going through and very closely looking at something as a lawyer. Like, there is a case where someone put a comma in the wrong spot on a contract that meant the money in this contract was going to go to the wrong person. And they all signed it, and it cost them $10 million for one comma.
It's a huge amount. Yeah. Hello. Uh, Hello.